I once watched a family trying to board a cruise ship in Miami. It was a beautiful sunny day, perfect for setting sail. But, this family was not having a perfect day. They had luggage, so much luggage. There were 2 giant suitcases for each person carry-on bags that looked ready to burst. The father was sweating, trying to maneuver a mountain of bags. The mother was anxiously counting them, making sure none were lost. The kids looked tired before the vacation had even begun. This scene always sticks with me. It's a perfect picture of what happens when we let our packing anxiety take over. We think we need everything, just in case. But all that just in case stuff can weigh down the start of a wonderful adventure. Traveling should be about freedom, discovering new places, making memories. It is not about wrestling with your belongings. That family was so focused on their stuff that they were missing the moment. They missed the excitement in the air, the sound of the ship's horn, the incredible view of the open sea. I wanted to go over and tell them, you don't need all this. A cruise ship is like a floating city. It's designed to give you almost everything you need. Your cabin is your home base. It's a cozy one. There isn't a lot of space for stuff you won't use. So why do we do it? Why do we turn packing into such a monumental task? One of the biggest reasons is what I call what-if packing. We imagine every possible scenario that could happen on our trip. What if there's a super formal, unscheduled gala? What if a sudden blizzard hits the Caribbean? What if I decide to take up rock climbing on a whim? We pack for unlikely events, filling our bags with items that will never see the light of day. This anxiety-driven packing is our attempt to control the uncontrollable. We think that if we are prepared for anything, nothing can go wrong. But in reality, we just create a different kind of problem for ourselves. Another common reason is the just-in-case outfit. This is the cousin of what-if packing. We pack a dress we haven't worn in years, thinking the cruise is the perfect occasion. We bring 3 different jackets because the weather forecast has a 5% chance of rain. We pack high heels, we can barely walk in for a fancy dinner, but forget that we'll be walking all over the ship. We want to have options, which is completely understandable. But too many options can lead to decision fatigue. Instead of making you feel prepared, a suitcase full of unworn clothes can just make you feel like you have nothing to wear. It's a funny paradox, isn't it? Let's not forget the fear of forgetting something essential. This is a powerful motivator for overpacking. We worry we'll forget our toothbrush, our phone charger, or our favorite sunscreen. To combat this fear, we start throwing in duplicates and extra items. Alright, let's get down to it. Here are some of the most common items that find their way into suitcases but should have stayed at home. First on my list, a hairdryer. I know it feels essential, but I promise you, nearly every single cruise ship cabin in the world comes equipped with one. It might not be the super-powered, salon-quality model you have at home, but it will absolutely get the job done. Leaving yours behind frees up a surprising amount of space and weight in your luggage. That's room for a great souvenir you'll find in port. Next up, leave the fancy jewelry at home. While you might have a formal night or two, bringing your most expensive and sentimental pieces is just not worth the risk. It's one more thing to worry about, whether it's locked in your cabin safe or on your person during an excursion. Instead, opt for fun, inexpensive costume jewelry. It can dress up an outfit just as effectively without the added stress. If it gets lost or damaged, it won't ruin your trip. Think of it as your vacation jewelry. All the fun, none of the fear. Number 3 is towels. This includes both bath towels and beach towels. The cruise line provides them all. You'll have fresh towels in your cabin every day. And when you head to the pool or get off the ship for a beach day, you can simply check out a clean, fluffy beach towel right on the ship. They make it so easy for you. There is absolutely no reason to pack your own and let them take up a huge amount of space in your bag. Just remember to return the ship's beach towels, or you might see a little charge on your account. Fourth, don't bring full-size toiletries. Those giant bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and lotion are luggage space killers. Cruise lines provide basic toiletries. If you are particular about your brands, buy travel-sized versions or reusable leak-proof travel bottles to fill with your favorites. Let's continue our list of things to leave behind. Number 5 is an iron. Number 5 is a clothes steamer. These items are prohibited by most cruise lines because they're fire hazards. Don't try to sneak one on board. Your luggage is scanned and they will confiscate. But what about my wrinkled clothes? I have a few tricks. Hang clothes in the bathroom while you take a hot shower. The steam works wonders. Pack a small bottle of wrinkle release spray. Many ships also have laundry and pressing services for a fee. Number 6, too many books. I love a good book by the pool. Physical books are heavy and take up space. Instead of packing 5 paperbacks, bring 1 or 2 or load an e-reader. They're lightweight and hold a whole library. Many ships also have libraries where you can borrow a book. 7th, not a whole pharmacy. Bring a small supply of prescription meds, but you don't need every over-the-counter bottle. Pack a small pouch with essentials: pain reliever, bandages, motion sickness meds. The ship's medical center and onboard shops are well stocked. You can buy what you need if it comes up. Finally, items 8, 9, 10. Leave your coffee maker at home. Leave cooking appliances at home. Leave extension cords without surge protectors at home. Like irons, these are fire hazards and banned. Ships serve coffee 24/7. And food, you're on a cruise. There's an endless supply of delicious food. You will not need to cook. Extension cords are tricky. Standard ones are usually banned, but a cruise-approved power strip with surge protection may be allowed. Check policies before you pack one. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing style. It just means being strategic. My number 1 rule is to pack with a color palette in mind. Choose 2 or 3 neutral colors that mix and match well. Navy, white, khaki. Then add 1 or 2 accent colors for pops of fun. Coral, turquoise. This way, almost every top will go with every bottom. You can create dozens of different outfits from a handful of versatile pieces. It's the secret to looking put together every day without bringing your entire closet. My next tip is to embrace the power of layers. Weather can be unpredictable. It can be hot and sunny during the day and breezy at night. Instead of bulky sweaters, think in layers: a lightweight cardigan, a pashmina. My travel superstar. It can be a scarf, a wrap for a formal night, a blanket on a cool evening, or a sarong. When it comes to shoes, many people go wrong. Shoes are heavy and take up space. You really only need 3 pairs for most cruises. First, comfortable walking shoes, sneakers. Second, comfortable sandals for the ship. Third, 1 pair of dressier shoes for evenings. Make sure they are comfortable enough to walk in. No stilettos you'll wear for only an hour. Finally, think about your fabrics and use packing cubes. Choose fabrics that resist wrinkling. Knits, jersey, travel blends. Knits, jersey, and travel blends travel well. I never travel without packing cubes. They compress clothes, save space, and keep things organized, so no more digging for socks. As we dock back at the end of our journey, let's look back at that family with the mountain of luggage. Imagine them on their way home, now trying to manage all those bags plus the souvenirs they bought. The stress continues. Now, imagine yourself. You have 1 suitcase that you can easily roll off the ship yourself. You feel relaxed, refreshed, and full of wonderful memories from your trip. That is the power of packing light. You end your vacation on the same high note that you started it on, without the burden of too much stuff. You will be amazed at how liberating it feels to travel with less. The goal of a vacation is to escape from our daily burdens, not to pack them up and bring them with us. Packing is the first step of your vacation. It sets the tone for the entire trip. When you pack with intention and simplicity, you are telling yourself that this trip is about experiences, not things. The taste of fresh seafood in a port town, the feeling of the sun on your skin as you lounge by the pool, the joy of watching a Broadway quality show in the evening. None of those experiences require a different outfit for every hour of the day. They just require you to be present and ready to enjoy the moment. A lighter bag leads to a lighter spirit. So on your next cruise adventure, I challenge you. Lay out everything you think you need to pack. Then take a moment and be ruthless. Ask yourself, will I really use this? Does this item bring me joy or just what if anxiety? Put half of it back in the closet. I know it sounds scary, but trust me, you will not miss those extra clothes. You will be amazed at how liberating it feels to travel with less. More energy, more peace of mind, more space in your cabin and in your head. Your best cruise is waiting for you. Happy sailing. It's a cruise where you feel free, unburdened, and completely relaxed. It all starts before you even leave the house with a simple choice to pack smarter. Leave the non-essentials behind. Embrace versatility and simplicity. Pack for the vacation you want to have. One filled with ease. Pack for fun and unforgettable moments. When you focus on memories instead of things, you unlock the true magic of travel. Happy sailing. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more cruise tips. Thanks for watching.